How do you choose the best social media platforms for faceless marketing to truly connect with your audience and maximize your efforts? Today we're going to tackle a super important topic, choosing the right social media platforms for your strategy. But before we start, remember to check out our library of faceless content and templates for you to get started. Check out our description or the link on screen for more details. Let's get started. So, why does the choice of platform matter so much? Each social media site serves a unique blend of demographics and caters to different types of content. By selecting the right platform, you can ensure that your marketing efforts reach your intended audience in the most effective way possible. It's like choosing the right tool for a job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a light bulb, right? When choosing the right platforms for your faceless digital marketing, consider these key factors. Each platform attracts a unique audience. For instance, TikTok is popular among younger users, whereas Facebook has a more varied age demographic. Consider the type of content you plan to create. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for visual content, while X is perfect for text-based posts and quick interactions. Engagement levels are very important, so understand where your audience is most active and engaged. Higher engagement often leads to a greater impact of your content. Let's break down some of the major platforms. Instagram and Pinterest are great for highly visual and aesthetic content. If your niche is something like fashion, interior design, or food, these platforms can be your best bet. They're great for showcasing stunning visuals and short videos that capture attention quickly. If you're aiming for viral appeal and enjoy creating entertaining short-form videos, TikTok should be on your radar. It's perfect for tapping into trends and has a highly engaged young audience. For real-time communication and news, X is the go-to. It's excellent for brands that rely on timely updates or customer interaction through quick, snappy posts. We often don't see Facebook as trendy anymore, but with its broad demographic appeal, Facebook can be versatile. You can write detailed posts, create groups, or even use the marketplace. It's especially good if you want to build a community around your brand or product. YouTube stands out as a formidable platform for faceless digital marketing, owing to its massive audience and the high level of engagement that videos can foster. Given the complexity of YouTube, let's explore it further. Why should YouTube be a part of your marketing strategy? YouTube boasts over 2 billion logged-in monthly users globally. This translates to a vast potential audience for your content, covering nearly every demographic imaginable. Videos offer rich, detailed content that can hold viewers' attention longer than other media types. This can enhance brand recall and foster a stronger connection with viewers. As a Google-owned platform, YouTube benefits significantly from search engine integration. Videos frequently appear in Google search results, driving additional traffic to your content. YouTube rewards channels that post regularly with better visibility. Setting a schedule for uploads can help keep your audience engaged and returning for more. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos show up in search results, both on YouTube and Google. Since you're focusing on faceless marketing, consider using animations, voiceovers, and on-screen text to convey your message. Tutorials, how-to guides, and explainer videos are excellent formats for this style of content. Alright, so how do you figure out which platform is best for you? Here are some practical steps to follow. Use tools like Google Analytics to get insights into where your audience hangs out online. Social media platforms also offer their own analytics that can show you who's viewing and interacting with your content. In the beginning, try spreading your content across different platforms to see what resonates where. This can be a bit of trial and error, but it's a valuable learning process. You might find that your video content bombs on Instagram, but gets tons of engagement on TikTok. Once you've identified which platform and content type give you the best results, start focusing more of your energy there. It's about quality and engagement, not just spreading yourself thin across every platform you can think of. Selecting the right platform for your faceless digital marketing goes beyond logistics. It's about making informed, strategic decisions that enhance your content and connect with your audience where they are most active. Keep in mind, each social media platform has its unique strengths and serves different purposes. By matching your content to the right platform, you're paving the way for greater success. I hope you gained some valuable insights today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.